Hi, I'm Teri Dreyer, and today I'd like to talk about long distance caregiving. We actually get quite a few clients calling us from all around the country because they have loved ones here in the Chicago area that they really are worried about and they can't keep flying back and forth. What usually happens in January and February of every year is that family members who haven't seen their loved one very much until they came home for the holidays all of a sudden realize, wow, mom has really slipped over the past year, and they start to get worried and they see how the medications are being managed and the number of falls people have been having. So we had a case like that just this last week. The family had been thinking about whether or not to hire a patient advocate and kept putting it off until finally the sons came in this last Saturday and thought, oh my gosh, we really need help, because both of the sons and the daughter lived in other states. So they called us in on Saturday, and coincidentally or not, this poor elderly woman fell badly in her apartment on Sunday night. And so Monday morning, we were off to the hospital, off to talk to the discharge planners and the nurses and the doctors and to review labs. And the discharge planners came to me and said, well, we need to get her out of here today. She's been cleared for discharge. So I looked at some of her labs, I asked a few questions, asked for a couple more tests, and then I got on my phone right here and I started calling my favorite home care companies because I knew that this woman was not going to be safe to live on her own with the number of falls she's been having lately. So within 30 minutes, I had found a top quality home care company. I had also called a home health care company, and we took her home ourselves, and we looked at her meds, and she had not been setting up her medications correctly, which may be part of the reason why she fell, as she was on 3 different blood pressure medicines, and she was also quite dehydrated when she came to the hospital. So this was something that was timely and very appreciated by the family, and we love helping families as well as patients, and we just love this dear new patient that we have right now, and we've got a long list of about 6 or 7 other things that we're doing to help the family long distance. So that's what we do.